All right, babe. Thoughts and impressions, go. What do you think?
Thoughts and impressions. It's really tall.
Let me call up my local second grader to also write the same description.
We're Brian and Megan.
We're an average American couple who loves to travel and explore.
Welcome to our average wild experience. It is a beautiful morning here in Tennessee. We're running a little bit late, not by our own fault. The gate was locked and had to wait for a ranger to come, and the ranger was running late for emergency, but we are here. We're at Fall Creek Falls. It is the highest waterfall east of the Mississippi, even higher than Tuggenuck that we were at a couple months ago.
Constantly. We've been 4 times.
And higher than Niagara Falls.
I think it's almost double Niagara Falls height.
Yeah.
Give or take.
But you can actually walk down there. That's next on our list to do. It's 0.4 miles, very strenuous down. And then 0.4 miles, very strenuous up.
I think the strenuous refers to back up.
I think so too.
Down's usually easier. I'll just roll you down. But I gotta drag you back up. That would be very strenuous. Let's not roll ankles. Alright.
Without further ado, let's get going. So Falls Creek Falls State Park opened in 1944, and it boasts the iconic Falls Creek Falls waterfall that you see here. The falls itself is 256-foot tall sheer drop, and like I mentioned before, it is the largest of its kind east of the Mississippi. There's the top of the falls over there. What do you think? We're about halfway down? Beautiful underneath the ledges here. It's pretty much just rocky switchback on rocky switchback. And we have arrived. Quick, short. Very steep, very rocky. Will be definitely intense going up, but people are swimming it. We're back where the waterfall drains in this little creek area. Megan's working, getting some great photos.
Try to get away from the screaming children.
Because the gate was locked, we were not the first ones here as planned, and there's kids playing and screaming in there, which makes it a little bit more difficult, but we're gonna wait it out and get some wonderful shots of this beautiful waterfall. Creativity juice is flowing, getting out of the main drag over here.
I think we need to show the question.
Without being very interesting.
All right, babe. Thoughts and impressions, go. What do you think?
Thoughts and impressions. It's really tall.
Let me call up my local second grader to also write the same description. No,
It was a good book. The end. Book report done.
Oh my gosh, it's so peaceful back here, and it's really just incredible. And it's not flowing as hard as I thought it would be, just because it rained so much this week. But just incredible, and the height and the scale, when you get down to the water's edge, it's just wild how tall. You look straight up and you're like, yep, that's almost 300 feet. Like
Your
that's
head's like all the way cranked back, and you're like, it's just wild how tall and impressive it is. And there's birds flying in and out, and it's very peaceful up back in here. It really is.
it's gorgeous. It's worth the hike. We'll see if it's worth it when we go back up. Then we'll really give you an answer.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alrighty. You about ready to head up then?
Yep. We'll head back up. And
We have a couple other hikes we want to do here. Some other waterfalls are here. But we wanted to get here early before too much of the crowd got here.
we'll see if the others stack up.
See you then. Suspension bridge.
We found the suspension bridge trail.
Wobbly.
It is a little wobbly.
Someone's messing around.
No, I'm just walking. But someone is, yeah. It is definitely suspended. Oh.
Go back to hospitals.
Well, that's not what you want to see. Well, we did the suspension bridge.
We did. There is an option open, it's just not what we're doing. Alright, I just wanted to send you up these stairs, get you some exercise.
She wants to make sure I live forever for some reason. Gosh, I don't know, man. But making you live forever, how dare they? So the plan now is to go back down these stairs, go across the suspension bridge again, and then go to the cable.
I think it's down the Pawpaw Trail.
Yeah. Down Pawpaw, hits cable trail, and that's the plan right now. So we'll go back across and see on the other side. We've reached the cable trail.
Oh my gosh.
It looks a little intimidating.
That's why you gotta hold on to the cable.
I know. But yeah, I think I'm gonna put the GoPro down. I don't have a chest mount yet. But we're gonna do it. We're gonna go down the cable trail. Alright, so last we left off, we were trying to go down the cable trail. That didn't work. It was a little too wet.
A little slippery.
So we decided to play it safe and head back up and come back across this suspension bridge, up the stairs, and we are now at another overlook. So the people down there you see swimming got down there via the cable trail.
We will be back. It's a matter of maybe a drought.
It's a good little view.
Yeah, not bad. It's like a mile from the nature center.
Not bad at all.
Actually, probably a half mile, and then back will be a mile. That's what I know. Mile loop. But, okay.